Wara 7 snin ma jitkellmux, żewġ taħwa Maltin mill-Awstralja jispiċċaw jagħmlu road trip fl-Istati Uniti biex isalvaw lil oħthom. Hija din l-istorja komika tal-aħwa Joe u Charlie fil-film Brothers from Malta illi se jkun qed jintwera fis-swali taċ-ċinema lokali mill-31 ta' Awwissu.
I hold it, I'm the eldest.
Mela hold it.
What do you think I'm bloody doing?
Put it here.
All right.
Josie, all right?
Brothers from Malta hija produzzjoni Maltija Awstraljana b'direzzjoni, kitba u produzzjoni ta' Julian Gallia.
From my understanding, a Maltese story set abroad has never been told before. So I was very excited to have the opportunity to tell a story like that. This film has really encapsulates the culture I grew up in. Even though I grew up in Australia, my parents migrated, were immigrants from Malta, and I've been to Malta many times. I've made 2 other films here.
Wasosna li minkejja li twilet u għex f'Sydney, Awstralja, qalbu xorta baqgħet marbuta mal-eruq Maltin. Missieru mill-Mosta u ommu minn San Ġiljan snin ilu emigraw lejn l-Awstralja u flimkien magħhom James dejjem trabbew bil-kultura Maltija madwaru. Julian jisqar li permezz ta' dan il-film xtaq ibexxaq tieqa biex il-bqija tad-dinja tara x'inhuma l-karatteristiċi tal-Maltin.
I had a chance in this film to really showcase the characteristics and culture of the Maltese people, and also the slight nuances in the characters and the performance as well that perhaps only Maltese people will pick up. So, this is a film directly targeted for the Maltese people, but it also, has a large enough, story and character arc that I think it can cross cultures as well.
Julian Gallia li flimkien magħhom jinterpretaw l-irwoli prinċipali spjega li l-idea wara dan il-film nibtet minn sketches osra li snin ilu kienu jiġbdu fil-karozza u jippubblikawhom fuq YouTube.
That's where it started. So Joe and Charlie came out of that, and we put together this short little YouTube clip and put it out there, and people were responding to it. They really liked it. It got so many comments. It's like, do more. So then, all right, so we did another one. I think altogether we did about 10 of them. But they were real just sketch comedy kind of things, but they started to develop the characters of Joe and Charlie. This film is a lot more heartfelt, and there's dramatic elements to this movie.
Brothers from Malta huwa tielet film li Gallia ħadem u li għandu konnessjoni ma' pajjiża Made in Malta u Love in Paradise ikunu miġbuda f'pajjiżna stess. Waspjega li għad-differenza ta' dawn iż-żewġ films preċedenti dan huwa film komiku. Ċertament jappella għall-familja kollha.
This is a fun movie for the whole family. It's rated 12A. There's no swearing in it, so I made a point of doing that because I think I offended some older Maltese people back in Australia. But look, it serves a story. It's a fun movie for the whole family. Everyone's going to get something out of this film.
Brothers from Malta ntwera fil-Gozo Film Festival fejn ir-respons kien wieħed pożittiv ferm u spikkat l-awtentiċità tal-karatteristiċi ewlenin tal-Malti barra mixtutna. Brothers from Malta mistenni jixxandar ukoll fis-swali taċ-ċinema fl-Awstralja fix-xhur illi ġejjin.
I really hope this film helps bring families together, especially in today's world where everything is so uncertain. There's COVID, there's all these wars, there's so much crazy things going on right now, and bringing us back to what really matters is very important to me, and I wanted to showcase that in a film and have the opportunity to represent the Maltese culture.
I've never heard your accent before. Where are you guys from?
We're Maltese.
Oh, the Maldives? I've always wanted to go there.